Now Andy has decided that the bodywork is good. The primer looks real good on there. We can go right to our finish coat. But this Mazda has a texture to the lower half of the doors and to the rocker panels. He's going to reproduce that texture with the sealer. He's going to dial the pressure of his gun down. He's going to increase the amount of material that comes out so that it atomizes poorly. And he's going to get that chip guard texture sprayed onto the car using sealer. He's practiced a little bit on the cardboard there, and he practiced a little bit on the paper. And now he's reproducing that chip guard texture using sealer applied with too low a pressure, too much material in the gun, and he'll end up with a look that just blends in perfectly by the time it's all painted. A lot of paint work is done by science. You saw us in there with measuring cups and sticks and using expensive chemicals. And then there's stuff like this that you just have to do with experience. Andy has decades of experience as a painter, and he's experimented with dozens and dozens of ways to get each effect that he needs. And this is how we're able to produce the best work we can for the lowest cost to the customer.